Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Microsoft has released two reasoning model. One is Phi-4 reasoning and another one is this Phi-4 reasoning plus. And these two model completely beating OpenAI O3 mini and also Deepseek R1 671 billion parameter model. Okay, this Phi-4 is actually a 14 billion parameter model and it is completely beating Deepseek's 670 billion parameter model. So that means this model has a good capability. Now the thing is that how this model got a good capability. So they have used OpenAI O3 Mini's reasoning data as a sample and they have used that data for training Phi-4 reasoning model. So that's why this Phi-4 reasoning and this Phi-4 reasoning plus is beating that models. So if I show you the benchmarks, here you see that this one is this Phi-4 reasoning plus, this deep colored green, and this one is this O3 mini and this one is this GPT-4o. Here you see that this Phi-4 reasoning 14 billion model is actually beating this GPT-4o, and in many of the cases it is matching this OpenAI O3 mini. We know that OpenAI O3 mini is not a free model, right? But here you see that if you want to get the advantage of this OpenAI O3 mini, or if you want to get the same answer like the OpenAI O3 mini, then you can use this Phi-4 reasoning plus model, and it is 14 billion model. Its size is very small. You can easily install in your laptop or desktop. Here you see this is the Ollama, and also you can use it through this OpenRouter. They have written it is completely free to use. I have given this tool link in the description. Here you see that if you come to this Ollama, by the way, if you don't have Ollama, just go to this ollama.com and there go to this download page here, and according to the operating system, please install it. And Microsoft has made this model specifically for the complex reasoning task. Here you see they have written Phi-4 reasoning and reasoning plus are the 14 billion parameter open weight reasoning models that rival much larger models on complex reasoning tasks. And if I scroll down below, here you see that its size is only 11 GB. It is easily installable in your machine. Scroll down and two comments are here, Phi-4 reasoning plus and this Phi-4 reasoning. So I will recommend you to go for this Phi-4 reasoning plus to get the best output. So just copy this comment and open your command prompt or terminal, and here just paste it and press enter, and after that you will see that it is pulling this model from the Ollama. Okay, and there is another option also, this OpenRouter. And if you go to this link, just make an account in this OpenRouter, and here you will find this chat option here, and go to this chat, and here you can do the simple chatting here. And also if you want to their API, in that case it is also possible. So for that, come to this OpenRouter, and here in the search model, here you can see that there are two models that is available for free. One is this Phi-4 reasoning plus, another one is this Phi-4 reasoning. Okay, and I want to go for this Phi-4 reasoning plus. Scroll down, here you see that there is a API option. Click on this API, click on this create API key, and after that here you see that create key option. So after that, give any name and click on this create. You will get one API key. Now copy that API key and use it anywhere where you want to use. Now after you got your API key, you come to this VS Code, and here install this RooCode extension. So here you will find this RooCode extension, and after that go to this RooCode and go to the settings of RooCode, and here under this API provider give this OpenRouter, and here paste your API key that you got, and after that here in this model section just select the model Phi-4 reasoning plus for free. Okay, and after that here you will get one advantage of this RooCode. Here you see that on the left hand side you will find this ask, code, architect, debug and orchestrator. So here if you select this ask mode, then you will be able to simply chat with this model. Okay, so this is the advantage of RooCode. That's why I am recommending this to use if you want to do chat with this model. Okay, and also if you have another way to use this model with the base URL and API key setup, then you can do that. Here you see that what they have written, Phi-4 reasoning is a 14 billion parameter open weight reasoning model that rivals much larger model on complex reasoning tasks trained via supervised fine-tuning of Phi-4 on carefully curated reasoning demonstration from the OpenAI O3 Mini. So that is why I was telling that they have used the sample data from the OpenAI O3 Mini examples, and after that they have used that data for training for this Phi-4 reasoning model. And now you will ask me that what is the advantage of Phi-4 reasoning plus? Here you see that Phi-4 reasoning plus builds upon the Phi-4 reasoning capabilities further trained with reinforcement learning to utilize more inference time compute. You using 1.5x more token than the Phi-4 reasoning to deliver higher accuracy. Okay, and also they have written, despite their significantly smaller size, both models achieve better performance than the OpenAI O1 Mini and Deepseek R1 Distill Llama 70B at most of the benchmarks. And also here you see that they achieve the performance better than full Deepseek R1 model. Full Deepseek R1 model is 671 billion parameter. Many of you asked me that time that how to install this 671 billion parameter model in our local machine. That was completely impossible if you don't have enough budget, but now it is very much easy that if you want to get the same performance like the DeepSeek R1 671 billion parameter model, then don't go for DeepSeek R1. Use this Phi-4 Reasoning Plus. It is completely free through this Ollama and OpenRouter, and you will get the same advantage. Okay, here you see that this model can solve this mathematical reasoning and PhD level science question. I have given all of this link in the description box, so please go to there and use it and let me know your thought, your experience in the comment section. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you found helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.